The Bay, Lisa and Manning interview forensic accountants. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these news. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or services. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. After the success of Season 1, The Bay returned earlier this year with the following 6 installments as DS. Lisa Armstrong, played by Morven Christie, took on another. Ahead of the penultimate episode this evening, the hit police drama will see some changes to the third series, which was confirmed by ITV. Most importantly, Morven won't be leading the show. Instead, Marsha Thomason is stepping up to take on the main characters. It comes after Morven decided to leave the drama to pursue other opportunities after a successful Viewers will eventually see Marsha join the cast as DS. Jen Townsend, Morecambe Sid's new family liaison. When the show returns with Season 3, Jen, on her first day of work, will discover and it will be her responsibility to question a grieving family as she and the team investigate the death of an aspiring boxer. The newcomer will be eager to provide answers for the family, but she must also prove her abilities to her colleagues. It wouldn't be a traditional season of The Bay without a few personal issues getting in the way. Jen will be under extra pressure at home, as her own family struggles to adjust to coastal. Marsha will be joining Danielle Ryan, who plays D.I. Tony Manning, Aaron Sheniger, who plays D.S. Karen Hobson, Thomas Law, who plays D.C. Eddie Martin, and Andrew Dowbiggin, who plays D.S. James Claw. ITV's head of drama, Polly Hill, who commissioned the third series, spoke about Marsha's addition and said, "We are delighted with the audience's response. We look forward to them meeting DS. Jen Townsend, played by the fantastic Marsha Thomason, who joins the team in Series 3. Catherine Oldfield, the executive producer, commented, "Darrigan, I couldn't be more delighted by the audience response to that ITV has recommissioned the show is fantastic, and to get a talent as bright and brilliant as Marsha to lead the new series is beyond exciting." She added, "We can't wait to get back to Morecambe to start filming." As for when Season 3 will air on ITV, it could be on screens in early 2022 after the broadcaster confirmed filming is due to start this tonight. However, viewers will tune in to see Tony feel the wrath of his. Not only is his wife Ellen telling him daily that she wants a divorce, but he experiences a full-on verbal reprimand which everyone else in the office ends up trending. As for Lisa, a rash decision unsettles her, and as a result, she throws herself into her work, pursuing a new line of investigation. But she ends up uncovering a secret with far-reaching consequences. As the evidence against one suspect continues to build, a desperate Tony makes a choice which risks the integrity